fit this side. Damn it, I was so close. But that's essentially a fillet weld. Now that I got all these things cut out, pretty much fit up, I had to get some of this coating off so I can get a good weld down. I got the rubberized coating off and it just smells like rubber in here. 6011. A couple tacks in here to make it look somewhat decent. Pretty close to what it's going to be there. Alright. Okay, get this thing tacked up to where I need it. So it worked out on me just a smidgen, so I'll have to just bring it back in here. So these are tacked up. I'm just going to do pretty much one pass straight across. First pass is going to be 6011, and then I'll cover it with 7018. 6011 will allow me to get a good deep penetrating pass to be a good, so this can be a good support. And then the 7018 will help resist the metal fatigue. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now, if you notice on my rod angle on that, my rod angle is kind of straight in versus at an angle. Because, you know, this is a fillet weld, so fillet weld is half the angle of the fit up. So a fillet weld's half the angle of a fit up for the rod angle. And I actually was going straight in. Now the reason for that was I was trying to fill space that I had because I left space to get deeper penetration with the 6011. So I'm stuffing metal in there in order to get a full penetration or mostly full penetration weld. So now when I go over with 7018, this is going to be more of a traditional half the angle of the workpiece and traveling nice and straight, weaving up and down, make it look all pretty. I'll go over it later this week. While we're waiting for that side to cool down, since I have 6011 out and ready to go, I'm going to fit this side. This side is the ones that I had the radius cut with that hole saw. I'm going to set them up. I already took my measurements. I already know that they're going to fit evenly. So I'm just going to fit them up at the top. Get some good tacks in it so it doesn't move. And do the same thing to this. Now you can tell that these pieces still have the coating on them. Whatever coating came on, whatever this piece was that was in my garage forever. And this is why I like 6011 so much, because I don't have to worry too much about cleaning this piece up. The 6011 will burn through just fine. Step in this Now it's going to look a little lumpy because you fill a lot of gap, and I'm going through coating, and you know, it's not pretty. And 6011 is already hard to make pretty as it is. So that's what 7018 is for. It's going to add some resistance metal fatigue, and it's also going to be pretty. Took me a while, but I finally kicked it. Alright. I've got too many things running on this circuit at the same time. Finally kicked it. So close. Well, you can see how much smoother 7018 turns out on stuff like that. But that's essentially a fillet weld. Well, the supports are on. May I say they look pretty good. Everything came out pretty straight. I think this thing should hold some weight. Yeah, it's a little overbuilt, but I'm alright with that. I'm running out of battery. I'm running out of time. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys later this week.